CLSK stock analysis, CLSK stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos like this. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. And all that to say that my idea was so on point. Like very, very on point. Like beforehand here when you were sitting at $8, now we're at 11. Not that big of a difference, just $2, but it's very decent because time has passed and I've been the one covering this and it's been delivering very nicely, very neat. So, taking the highs out very successfully. The way that I'm currently observing this, man, and I would absolutely love. Here's my demand zone. Only if I see the price pulling down and giving me a shift, only then, you know, I will take it further up or do anything really else differently. But randomly buying would not be happening whatsoever. So, all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. CLSK. If you want to have leverage and want to learn the skill set that's taken me 5 years to learn, and you can learn it in hours, just click the first link below. Risk free, 1,200 people have tried it. All 5-star reviews. See you in the next one.